The overall mission of Organic is to give people their health back and give people a sense that they have power over their lives. When I first started creating Organic, I decided that we were gonna have juices and smoothies. I didn't realize the smoothies were gonna be date shakes until I started experimenting more with the dates. And then dairy, I was already vegan, so I was like, why would I serve dairy to other people but not myself? So it was kind of going against my own values, so I said no dairy. And then the sugar thing, I would experiment with different types of sugar, like coconut sugars, because it's like healthier. Then in that experimental phase, I started discovering like, no, when I do it with just dates, it's creamy, it's rich, it makes this consistency that just tastes amazing, and it amplifies any flavor that we put in it. Each flavor that was conceptualized just like popped with the dates, so it really made it what it is today. I started having panic attacks. It was so bad that nothing seemed real, and I was really scared. And then this woman that I know, she's a naturopathic doctor, she told me, oh, you got to cut out everything white: bread, white flour, sugar, dairy. Before that, I was already vegetarian. If I was going to cut out dairy, I pretty much became vegan by default. But cutting out all those things immediately changed the feeling, and I stopped having panic attacks right away. First of all, I had no idea the food was causing this. And it wasn't causing it, it was the stress from the outside. Like, I was going through a lot of heavy things, a lot of very stressful things. But the food was amplifying it. And because it was an adrenal issue, it was a whole body composition issue, it was all the antibiotics that I'd taken in the past destroying my gut. And so it became my mission to like share that and to give this knowledge to people, because they don't know it. Nobody knows it unless you go through it.